Good morning, Miss Wright's class. I want to say thank you to Miss Wright for giving me the chance to talk to you guys this morning about a research process called the Big Six. I know Miss Wright has just introduced to you your fourth grade project, and I'm sure you're super excited and have a lot of questions. So I'm here to kind of give you an overview of what is going to be happening in the library that's going to go right along with what you're trying to accomplish in your project. So the whole point of the Big Six is for you to understand steps that will help you reach your goal of finding information specific to your topic and creating a final product. There are a lot of things that you are going to be covering and learning in this project. I know that it's focusing on the Texas Revolution, which is a really exciting part of Texas history. I also know that you guys have been focusing on expository writing as you're getting ready for the Big Star test, and that's going to be a piece of your final product. So there are a lot of cool things that you're going to be learning, but one of the things that I'm excited about you guys learning in the library is specifically the step that involves finding sources. Now, there are several standards that are going to be covered, like I said, Texas history and writing, but Texas has a TEK that's about researching and gathering information. And what that means is just, I need you guys to be able to use all of the resources that we have, not just at our school, but maybe at home, maybe in the public library, to find exactly what you need. You have to be able to determine what's going to be important to your project and figure out how to answer the question that you are answering in your project. Common Core also has a standard, and it's along the same lines. It's about gathering information, but it's a little bit more specific about how you need to take notes. It really is important that as you're searching through websites and books and interviewing people and going through a lot of different sources, that you take really good notes, that if you decide to use that information, you can give credit to the people who originally published those ideas. The International Society for Technology and Education has a standard that talks about curating resources, and curating simply means selecting and organizing, which is exactly what the Texas standard and the Common Core standards say. And then the American Association of School Librarians has a similar standard, and it's about being able to find and evaluate sources to pick things that are appropriate, that make sense to your project and your question. Now, the next steps, what needs to happen? Well, every single one of you needs to go to the library homepage. There is a link to my Blend Space. There, you're going to take a quiz. It's a really short quiz, and really what it's for me to understand what you guys already know about the research project, what you guys know about the process, what you know about the Big Six. It's going to give me a good idea of where we need to start when we get into the library. After that, that same link has 3 videos. Those 3 videos are going to talk to you about each step in the Big Six process. It'll explain to you what each step is, what you should be doing and asking yourself in each step. So that way when we get to the library, you guys have a little bit of an understanding of the Big Six project, and we can kind of go ahead and get started. So when I see you guys on Wednesday, I need you guys ready to apply the Big Six so that we can get this ball rolling on this project. I'm really excited about it. Miss Wright and I have been working on it for a few weeks, and I know you guys are going to do some awesome research and create some really amazing products. If you have any questions before you guys come to the library on Wednesday, please stop by, ask me a question. You can ask Miss Wright and she can email me the question. You guys know where I'm at. You can come during your recess, before school, after school, if your teacher lets you during class, to ask me any questions that you need to know before then about the Big Six. But don't worry too much when you guys come to the library on Wednesday. We'll make sure to talk about it a little bit more and make sure that you understand each step and what we're going to do. I'm excited, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. I hope you guys have a great day.